In this video, I'm going to show you how to underline in Google Sheets. Okay, so I have this data set here and I want to underline where it says new bonus scheme. There's a couple of ways you can do it. What I'm going to do is hit Control U, and when I do that, it underlines the text inside of this merged cell. That's one way you can do it. Now, if you're on a Mac, you would hit Command U. But yeah, doing that, it underlines the text within that cell. I'm going to hit Control Z to go back. Another way you can underline data in a cell is coming here and using the borders. And I want a bottom border, so I'm going to select that, and it will give you a bottom border as an underline. You can also come here and select like the style of border you want, whether a thin line, a thicker line. When I do that, and I select my bottom border again, the line is thicker. We can do a double line if you want. You have a lot of different options using the border style. But yeah, as you notice, when you use a border, it underlines the entire cell. It's not limited to just the text within that cell. So that's how you underline in Google Sheets. Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.